Let's take a look at this problem. We've got x minus 1 to the 4/3 is equal to 81. And it says solve this equation using the power principle. Power principle says if you have something to a power equal to something else. And that's pretty vague, but that's basically what it says. Then you can take both sides and raise it to a power equal to the reciprocal of this exponent. Reciprocal means fraction flipped. So I got 4/3. I would take both sides of 3/4 power. Now this number right up here, if it's even, and this is when it's in fraction form, if you got an even number on top, that means you need to put a plus or minus on the other side. So we're going to put a plus or minus before the 81. Okay. Now the 4's cancel here, the 3's cancel, and we're left with x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus. Now here we got a number to a fractional power. If you have that, then you can break this apart. 81 to the 1/4 power raised to the 3rd power. So whatever number's up on top, you put it on the outside of a set of parentheses. So that gives us plus or minus, and then inside we can rewrite this as the 4th root of 81 to the 1st power, all of it raised to the 3rd power. How that works is whatever number's in your denominator and your exponent here, that's your index. That goes right here in the slot. Whatever number's up on top, which in this case will be a 1, goes inside like that. Of course, we can just drop the 1 now. So this will be the 4th root of 81 all the way to the 3rd power. Now I can break 81 down. 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. It's 4 3's. Now our index, excuse me, our index is 4, which means looking for a set of 4 of something. Well, here's 4 3's. Those 4 3's are going to come out in front as a single 3. So we got x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 3 to the 3rd power. Now the radical disappears since I took everything out of it, and that 3rd power just carries along. Well, 3 to the 3rd is 27. 3 times 3 is 9, times another 3 is 27. I'm solving for x, so I'm going to take the negative 1 and move it to the right side. And we've got x is equal to 1 plus or minus 27. Now I'm going to split this apart into the plus version and the minus version, so I can simplify it even further. What that plus or minus means is we got x is equal to 1 plus 27, and we got x is equal to 1 minus 27. 1 plus 27 is 28, and 1 minus 27 is negative 26. And those would be our two answers. Now you'd want to make sure that you check those and they both work, and they do. I've went through and checked them already. Because the power principle will give you the right answer, but sometimes it'll give you false answers, so you definitely have to check them.